Hey guys, so quick video for you is that if you are curious if the Wemod is legit, yes it is. There's nothing off if you're gonna like use that, and it's going to help you in for some games if you want to. But this is like going to be a really important thing, is that restart your PC before playing any online game with an anti-cheat, just to be certain it's instantly unloaded from the memory. So yes. Okay, that said, don't use them in any kind of mode where you're playing with other people or could play with other people. So that's pretty much it. Now, these are the two important things that you need to know if you want to actually use it. And my recommendation also is that, as you can see, like the side looks clean. It looks really good. So there's nothing off when you're gonna use it. Just be aware, okay? I've been using it without the premium just fine for a few years now. So yes, it's completely safe and fine if you're gonna use it. I just want to make this like quick video for you, what you need to know. Hope this video helped you. And have a great day and goodbye.